Assalamualaikum all GSM friend. Today's subject OnePlus Note 2 5G DN2101 ND DRAM file extraction tested. Next A145F binary 4 OS on 3 autopath reset on lost network 100% trusted. Next, Redmi Note 13 Spanier QCN file 8GB ROM. Okay, 256GB. At first, your OnePlus board this mobile. Any tools use the format and date mode on only MTK port show. No tension, no confuse. This DRAM file download and unlock tool flash this mobile running. Okay, no problem, but fade file not free. Okay, now see the download DRAM file. Any problem, chat now to WhatsApp number and email number. Okay, next Samsung Autopath Farmer A145A binary 4 this trusted file 100% working. The handset for no network, just loading to flash, no box, no dongle, just to loading flash. This file download in one WhatsApp chat now. Next, Redmi Note 13 QCN file 100% trusted. Okay, now see. Download human WhatsApp chat now. At first, my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment and Facebook share. I am very confused. My YouTube channel description no link, just link comment box check now. Comment box no link, human WhatsApp chat now 24 service. And any emergency file or need, just Chrome browser open and Google now. The right now Borsa mobile. This Borsa mobile download and Borsa mobile blogger site this one click na. One click, please wait. This search blogger any file problem you need. Okay. A0.45. Okay. Just search bar. Next. Okay. Home button. Again. This model. Again. Oh. Sorry. The right now. This model. A14. Sorry. 45F. Just model search now. Mobile no name, no need. Just model search. One click. And magic system. Okay. Now see and download. This download problem in one WhatsApp chat now 24 hours. Any problem, any solution, any dongle need, any tools need, but I am ready only for your service, 24 service, but fade file not free. Solution is a fade, all solution fade. 100% working, no confuse. Okay. Goodbye.